Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Gyeedu Tutors. So this question is about what? Quadratic functions and equations. Let's do it together. Okay, so first of all, if you are given a question like this, the first thing I have to do is to find the LCM or the least common multiple and multiply it. Okay. And so our least common multiple will be what? To multiply through by the least common multiple. Okay. So when you get to the side, multiply through by this. So now 1 minus x plus 1 multiplied by what? 3x over 1 minus x plus 1 minus x again, x plus 1 multiplied by 2x. And what? The other side, 2 times what? 1 minus x plus 1. So when you get to this side, this will cancel this. This will cancel this. So now we have what? X plus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 1 minus x multiplied by 2x. We're going to what? 2 multiplied by 1 minus x plus 1. Okay. So now we have what? 3x squared plus what? 3x and what? 2x minus 2x squared. And what? We have what? 2 multiplied by what? X 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 minus x squared minus x. So now we have what? 3x squared minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 2x equal to what? Minus 2. For this side, we have this x minus x cancels. So now we have what? 2 minus what? 2x squared. So now on this same layer, we have what? We group like x now. So now we have 3x squared. This goes to the other side, becomes plus 2x squared minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to what? 0. This is the same as 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, which is equal to what? 0. So now when you get to the side, you get this is on another slide, so for this side, this is a trick. So for this side, this is the trick. Okay. So now we have what? 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. So now we are splitting it. Okay. So now we have what? 3x squared plus 6x minus x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. So now you can what? You can factorize here. Okay. So now we bring what? 3x out here. And we have what? X plus 2. And you have what? Minus 1 out here. X plus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, so now this is the same as what? 3x minus 1 x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, when you get to this side, you solve everything. It's very easy. You know that what? 3x minus 1, which is equal to 0. 3x equal to 1. You divide both sides by x is equal to 1. Or x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 2. So therefore, x is equal to what? 1 over 3 or minus 2. Very, very easy to see. Thank you.